Yeah, guys, I think my buddy parts for his engine came in. Let's go take a look. Hey, what the hell? What you doing? I seen a crankshaft up here. Whoa! Oh, and the heads. So they did what they were gonna do to the. Look at it all pretty and cute and everything. What the hell? Now this is a BL. This is a rebuild.
Well, I mean, it's my own car, so yeah.
What does that mean?
I mean, I'm rebuilding the right way. I mean, dude.
You got new rod bearings and all that? What we looking at? Oh, they did a valve job and everything, huh?
6 valves were bent.
Oh, they was bent? It was bent. Some piston hit it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Timing belt broke. Man.
Oh, this is one the timing belt broke. Yeah, you're going to bend. So it's not an interference.
No, it is an interference motor, but it's, the pistons usually have a low give, but not that much.
Oh, ooh, you got to put the pistons in and everything. Yeah, this is a bill. This is what we haven't done in so long. Look at that. Yep. You got new rings and everything. You got one of them piston ring holder. Boop.
We got one order, should be here.
Oh, the tool to put them in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, dude,
Hey, Norman, I haven't done this in so freaking long.
look. The last one I've done after the race motors. After the race motors, I did a 2.7. Remember Kevin Keller?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's who's I built.
Wow.
But yeah, it's.
You got this sucker towed down to the barrel. Short block. What are those? Oh, the valves. Damn. I bet it didn't take much either. Just a kiss. Mwah. Oh, let me see. That's bent.
Definitely. See?
So he lapped in new valves and did the seats and the seat to valve face clearances specs.
One of the camshafts. Now look.
That's a dual over here, right?
Yeah, well, it's a VTEC though.
Oh, I ain't gonna even begin to try to
Yeah, it's
explain that.
It's different.
Yeah.
First time the time belt broke, they started ticking. I adjusted the valves, but look what I found.
Oh yeah, yeah. I remember you showing me that.
So I got a brand new camshaft over there from the dealer.
That is a bill.
Like I said,
Hey, when the last time you seen a crankshaft? Right, at a dealership, it's not dual overhead cam. It's only got one cam that go on the head. Right. I mentioned that, and Herman said, yeah. Well, he wasn't thinking probably because it's single overhead cam, but on a V engine. Norman said he don't have the tools to put the pistons in. You know, you got to squeeze the rings. Yeah, but I had one. I don't even know what mine is. This is sweet. Like, this is all aluminum at this point. There's nothing steel in this. Until he put the crank in, maybe.
Right.
Imagine this get hot, man. You know, overheat. That's what happened to cylinder heads. They warp and all kinds of. So once you overheat an all aluminum engine, man, don't even chance it no more, man. At that point. Yeah, man, we used to clean these out with soap and water. Put the thing on there, set on it. Bloop.
WD-40.
Oh, yeah. Don't say that. ASE test says to use, to use soap and water. If you ever see that question on the ASE test, how do you clean piston cylinders out? The answer is soap and water.
But no one ever does. WD-40.
Damn. Well, I'll come back and see him, ladies and gentlemen, when he's done. Stay tuned. Oh, you already put the piston in?
no, pistons up tomorrow.
Oh, that's right. You got waiting on the two. Dude, man, you ain't forgetting that, did you?
No, I'm trying to figure something out that don't make sense. I put the new bearings in,
Thrust bearing?
everything is in it. I put everything together. What doesn't make no damn sense is the crank. I couldn't turn it.
What was that? Oh, that was your phone. I thought that was that. I was like, they making torque wrenches fancy now. Oh, you don't get a click?
It's vibrating and beeping, man.
Oh, man. So the new style torque wrench, you don't get no more click, guys. The click days are over.
I got that at home, brand new.
I like the click better. It just feels. Pistons tomorrow. You work tomorrow, right?
See that, right?
What happened? Too tight?
Yeah. I want to see something.
What? All right, guys. Let's see where we at. Y'all saw him partially putting it together. We waiting on the tube for the piston rings. Yeah, look at that, guys. This has been a minute since I have gone this far into a block. So, but with any kind of engine building, guys, you need tubes, and we do not have. Look, you know what's weird? He went around and asked everybody that they have one. You should see all of us digging through our tube bus because everybody used to have one. I know I used to have one. I can't even know. Anybody out there know the official name? Where you at, Caper? Oh, you engine builder guys. The official name for that, where you squeeze in the piston rings, then you're able to set it on the block, push it in. These was the good old days. But he gonna have this thing running, guys. We just lacking a few tools to complete. I think he going to get one. Okay, I don't know what's up with those crank bearings. Got the crank in, so those must be the old ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's a V6. And y'all saw the bent valves, right? So he got the head over here, but he just got all that back from the machine shop. So I'd like to say Monday I had this thing running, man. Yeah, single overhead cam engine. BBT, I want to say. I remember him just trying to explain it to me, but it didn't stick. So I don't know about hard exactly what he's doing, but he will have this thing running in no time, guys. So then y'all can do is stay tuned. We're not going to gear. All right, stay tuned, guys. We'll see what happens later. Stay tuned.